Hello everyone, so in this video we're going to be reviewing Trgroups.com. So as you can see, we have it here open up on the website. So as you can see, this is one of those scam websites again that you deposit and you can apparently earn more. So as you can see, deposit 100 USDT. There are 4 tasks per day. Each task's profit is 1 USDT, total profit 360 USDT, valid for 109. How many days is that? 90 days, I think, after expiration, and a lot more. So the principal can be refunded or used for upgrading. So basically what they want you to do is go deposit 100 and then go from here to level 2, tier 3, tier 4, tier 5, and so on. So please guys, this is a pyramid scheme or a pyramid scam. So please do not fall for this. The only ones that can benefit from this are the ones who actually started this program or at the top of the pyramid. If you just joined this and you're at the bottom, you will not receive anything. You will even lose money from that. And yeah, that is basically it guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.